Hey, join me as I change these rear brake rotors on this G37.
Crack all the way from top to bottom on that. That one's starting. I can catch my thumb on that one, which means that's going to tear up my brake pads. Got another one there. So a couple different cracks. There's some minor ones along the bottom too. So we're going to go ahead and change this out.
Here's a closer look at those cracks too.
Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is with my 14mm wrench loosen up the caliper bolts right here and right here. Right there. I'd take the okay, now on the back of here, right here's the caliper bolt. I want to undo this one and then the one down below it right there too. Those are 19mm. I had to give it a little love with my my mallet and wrench. I just used an open end wrench, 19mm, to get that thing off there, just like that. There's one of them. That's the top one here. I'll pull out the bottom one so I can pull this all the way off. All right, got the caliper off there. Okay, now this rotor here, this comes right off, just like that. There we go. Put the new one right on there. Got a couple of new ones here. Here's a look at the new one. There's the old one and the new one. And the new one just slides right on there. I'm going to go ahead and take this little plug here out of the old one, put it in the new one. Just flip it up like this on the back side to gain access to the back side and push it through with the screwdriver. Pop that in there like that. Now put everything back together. Already got the caliper back on there, so I put the caliper bolts back on, both of those, and then I put the other brake pad bolts back on too. I guess you'd call these rotor bolts maybe, or rotor screws, rotor bolts, caliper bolts, but whatever. So 19mm and 14 there. Now I'm ready to put the wheel back on and we'll be good to go. All right, good to go. Thanks for watching, everybody.